Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how to create a debit memo. Debit memo is a positive sign in AR, unlike in your AP. In our AP, it is a negative sign, but here it is a positive sign. To add any additional amounts to a particular transaction, we will use the debit memo functionality in Oracle Fusion Accounts Receivables module. Say user by mistakenly created $100 sales invoice and the original amount is $200. So in this case, to add the amount, we use the debit memo. Or if there are any financial transactions, financial charges, or any additional amount that has to be levied on customer, in that case, we will create a debit memo. Say for example, you have created the sales invoice, but you have done some activity, like say for example, you have created the accounting entries and you have applied a partial receipt or full receipt, and also you have created a credit memo. Any activity you have done on a particular sales invoice, we cannot go and incomplete the transaction, since incomplete option will be freezed by the system. Now let us see how you can create a debit memo. Now click on billing. First we will create a transaction and then we will create a debit memo. Click on task list. Now click on create a transaction. Now select your business unit, manual invoice. Search for your customer, ERPZEN. Click on search. Click on OK. Now sold goods quantity 1, as we discussed, the unit price is $100. Now click on save. Click on complete and review. Now since we haven't done any activity on this particular sales invoice, system is showing the incomplete option. Now click on actions. Click on post to ledger. Now click on OK. Now we are unable to incomplete this transaction since we have done some activity on this transaction. Now copy this transaction number. $767. Now click on save and close. Click on OK. Now click on task list. Click on create transaction. Select the transaction class as debit memo. Yeah. Now select your business unit, the transaction type, say debit memo. Select your customer, ERPZEN. Click on OK. Now adding quantity 1, the price is $100, additional $100. Now click on save. Click on show more. Click on miscellaneous. Now here you can see the cross reference. Here you have to add our original transaction. So unlike in EBS, it will show the list of values, but here it is format only. It is a free text. You can enter anything. Now click on save. Click on complete and review. Click on save and close. Click on OK. Click on home. Now if you run any reports, this transaction will be showed against which transaction the debit memo is created. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.